Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, it will be a guide on how to close a trade on your Charles Schwab account. Okay, so let me show you how to close a Charles Schwab trade. So closing a trade, it means selling an investment you previously bought from your stock, ETF, mutual fund, or option. So first, you want to log in into your schwab.com. Here is the login option for that. Next is go to trade screen. So on the website, you want to click trade, go to your all-in-one trade ticket, and then from your mobile, you want to tap trade at the bottom menu. So select the investment. So choose the account where the trade is held, enter the symbol, and then select auction and then sell. Next is choose order type. So whether it is actually um, your base of what order type it is, if it is a market order, limit order, or stop limit order. So for most beginners, market order is the fastest way to close a trade. So I suggest you to choose that. Next is enter a quantity. Enter how many shares or contracts you want to sell, and then to fully close a trade, just choose sell all if it is available option. Next is review and place order. So after that, double check details like the account, symbol, actions, and order type, and your quantity, and then place order if it's already reviewed and finalized, and then you'll see a confirmation page when the order is now placed. So verify execution. You want to go to your order status or history to confirm the trade was now executed, and now you can now trade is officially closed, and then proceed to your cash balance. And that's how to close a Charles Schwab trade on this generation.